Hello guys, in today's video I'll teach you how to make money up to 50,000 to 100,000 using Piggyvest account. Piggyvest app actually. So if you are new to this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. So let me get straight to the tutorial. So I want to use Chrome for creation. Let me see, I want to register an account. So you just need to impute this your name, your address, your email address, your phone number, your password, and most importantly, your referral phone number, which is my phone number here. If you don't input my phone number or any referral code, you won't be able to earn any bonus. And the main purpose of this video is for you to earn money and bonuses. So, this how did you hear about us? You click on either Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So just choose family and friends, any of them. Then you click the create option. So as you can see, I've finished signing up my account. I will create my account. So let me show you how this magic works. Not actually a magic, it's real. So all you have to do is just complete this, verify your email address, add your BVN or NIN, which I know you have one of these. So tell us more about yourself. Securely add valid debit card. Set the security question now. Okay. When you're done with that, let me just show you something. If you want to save this app, there's many features in this app, so many features, and you can invest in it. In my next video, I'll teach you how to use this app more better. All you have to do is to click the link in the description to see my other video where I'll teach you how to use these features. So now you need to click on this account in order for you. Let me just head straight to the referral part. So this refer and in, you just need to click on this option here. Now, read the caption here. You get a 1,000 naira bonus, save log bonus instantly as soon as your friends sign up on Piggyvest. So, imagine you invite up to 20, 50, or 100 people to this with this your invitation link. You have up to 100,000 naira. You need to bother to do anything. Just share this link, your referral link, which everybody have this. Once you sign up this app, you see a referral link. Just head straight to WhatsApp or any social media. I just paste it to my friend, or you share, or you can just edit this link. You can just edit this part, but don't change the link. I just prefer you just share it like this. Just share it to your friend or any group you are added to. So once you share this link, people click this link and start registering, start signing up for Piggyvest. You start earning 1,000 naira per one person you refer. So that's it. Let me show you my Piggyvest account, my own Piggyvest account. Okay, let me show you. Refer and in. Take a look at my referral. I refer three people. Now I have 3,000 naira in my safe log bonuses. Don't worry, in my next video I'll teach you how these the features in this app. Now you see how I earn money and how I make money using Piggyvest app. All you have to do is to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to receive more of my video and view more of my video on YouTube. I already teach you guys how to make money online, hacks on how to do things online. Please subscribe to my channel.